Let's talk about broker fees, the hidden costs that can quietly drain your wallet. A broker is a middleman connecting buyers and sellers, and for that, they charge a fee. These fees can add up to thousands, even tens of thousands over your lifetime. A small percentage here, a flat fee there, it all adds up. Many people just accept these fees without question, but that's a mistake. Broker fees are often negotiable, but only if you know what you're paying for. Being aware of these costs gives you power to shop around and make smarter choices. Not all brokers are bad. Many provide real value. The goal isn't to avoid brokers, but to be an informed consumer. Know what you're paying, why, and if it's worth it. That's the key to keeping more of your money. Don't just sign on the dotted line. Ask questions. Every dollar you save on fees is a dollar you can invest in your future. Knowledge is your best tool for financial success. Broker fees pop up everywhere. Renting, buying homes, investing, even getting a mortgage. In cities like New York, rental brokers often charge up to 15% of annual rent, thousands up front. Buying a house, real estate agents typically get 5 to 6% of the sale price, often built into the home's cost. Stockbrokers used to charge per trade. Now, many online platforms are free, but full-service advisors still charge hefty fees. Mortgage brokers shop your loan around for a fee, paid by you or the lender. Even business sales involve brokers and their commissions. In almost any major financial move, there's a broker and a fee. The key is to recognize when you're paying and how much. Don't let these costs catch you off guard. Broker fees come in different forms: flat, percentage-based, and hidden. Flat fees are simple. One set price, easy to compare. Percentage fees are common in real estate and investing. 6% of a home sale, 1% of your investment portfolio, and so on. The bigger the deal, the bigger their cut. Hidden fees are the real danger, buried in contracts as processing or maintenance charges. Always ask for a full, itemized list of fees before you sign anything. Don't accept vague answers. Demand clarity. Read the fine print, and don't let anyone rush you. 5 minutes of careful review can save you thousands. If you spot a fee you don't understand, ask if it's negotiable or can be waived. Stay alert. Your wallet depends on it. Let's see how fees add up. Renting a $3,000-month apartment with a 15% broker fee? That's $5,400 up front, before rent or deposit. Investing $100,000 with a 1% annual fee? That's $1,000 a year, every year. Over 30 years, that fee could cost you nearly $187,000 in lost growth. Buying a $600,000 home? A 6% commission is $36,000, factored into the price you pay. These fees create a constant drag on your finances. It's like driving with the emergency brake on, slowing your progress. Over time, the impact is huge. Fees can mean the difference between retiring comfortably or working extra years. They're the silent reason you might feel stuck financially. Don't underestimate their effect. Every fee you avoid brings you closer to your goals. So, how do you fight back? Start by asking for a full breakdown of all fees. Get it in writing. For each fee, ask, what's it for? Is it negotiable? Can it be waived? Shop around. Never settle for the first offer. Get quotes from at least 3 brokers to create competition. Use those quotes to negotiate a better deal. In investing, use low-cost index funds and zero-commission brokerages. For rentals, look for no-fee listings or direct landlord deals. When buying a home, ask about commission rebates or discount brokers. Be proactive and informed. Don't let fees eat your future. Every question you ask is money in your pocket. Take control and watch your savings grow.